I was trying to film earlier to do my foundation stuff, but my battery was dead on my camera, which I thought I had a charge, but I didn't. So all I used was the Amazing Clay foundation, and I put a little few dots of this on each side of my face to make it a little bit darker because it is winter and I'm really, really pale. And truly, I think a little bit of a darker foundation looks better on you. It makes you more of a glow versus being super pale and then putting your concealer and all that on. If you just put a little bit darker shade, not too dark, but just a little bit, and then put your concealer and stuff on, it lights up your face. So, you know. Alright, just a little tip to make you not look so sick looking. I'm not saying you do, but I do. Uno, what are you doing? I have Uno back there on the back of my chair. Okay, so as I was trying to say earlier when I very first started my video, but it didn't turn out right. So I have the James Charles palette here. Oh my goodness. Box. Okay, and then the box says, "Hi sisters, James Charles here, and welcome back to my palette. I love glam, but I also have a huge passion for crazy, colorful, outside of the box makeup. I created this palette with that in mind. I included every beautifully formulated shade necessary to create literally any look you could possibly imagine. I can't wait to see what you come up with when you unleash your inner artist." So those lots. Here is the palette, which, you know, if you like move it around, it does come with one of these little sheets with the names on it. Then I have no clue what I'm going to do. I'm not going to do anything too crazy. Tomorrow is Thanksgiving and I have to run to the grocery store to pick up a few things. So I'm not going to go like, boom, but I am going to do something colorful. So, but I will do a few looks with this palette. So let me tip this around so I can tell you guys the names, or at least try to here. Let's see, what am I going to do? This bright yellow. This is a bigger palette than any other ones. I think it's bigger than the Jacqueline, the very first one. I don't know. But we're going to go into that yellow. There is Kickback. I'm going to need a littler brush for this. Probably. My eye, like, that's another thing that you need to think about, like, when you're doing your makeup, is how big your brushes are. Like, this brush right here is almost bigger than my whole eye, which is a good brush for, like, blending stuff out and stuff, but it's pretty big. So that color is pretty pigmented. And with red and orange. So this red, that orange. And those are called You're Kidding, I think. No, wait a minute. Yeah. You're Kidding and Code James. Actually, no. No. I'm going to go into orange. Color Code James. And I'm just basically going to do a line with that orange. So we're just going to go right below the yellow. And we're just going to place a little bit of that orange. We don't want to start out too bright, so just make sure you take it a little bit. And if you have a crease like me, you know, somewhat like me, somewhat eye shape, I should say, like me, then you're not going to do it right in your crease. You're actually just going to go up above it. These actually blend out really well. Now I'm going to dip into that red, the color You're Kidding Me, and we're going to put this right below it. Seriously, they're already blended out. I'm just really just trying to make them lighter, I guess. But yeah, they're already blended. I think, look. Now I'm going to dip into the purple one here. That color is Escape.
This was in my drawer.
This is Kelsey's, I think, but you can wear it. Looks cute on you. I like it.
No, it's yours. See?
No, it's not. I don't have that shirt.
Hey, you do.
So basically what we're doing is with each color, we're starting up at the top, and then we're just going to keep like going down below and just blend them out. Okay. So I'm really liking the way that turned out. The only pink that I see here that I am looking for at this moment is this bright ass pink, which is called Skip. Now I'm just going to do the same thing right around the purple, and then we're going to put the light pink right in the middle. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to dip into the really light pink, pinkity dinkity, like almost white, but it's got like a pink tint. And we're just going to put this right in the middle. Alright, I think that is the eyes. And I have to say, I'm liking it. Do you guys like it? Look at that. I mean, it looks really good. I'm going to go in with that bright pink that we used. Now let's go in with some purple, that dark purple. Okay. I'm loving the eye look. So I'm going to go into this color Ring Light, and I'm going to try to highlight with it. That is a very, very pretty color, but I like to be more bam. So I'm going to go into my glazed donut. Oh gosh, I'm loving this. James, if you guys put some like lashes on, this look would be bomb. I'm just gonna throw some liner on. I'm gonna go into my Boohoo palette from Ofra, and I'm gonna grab the blush right here. Grab some bronzer. Let me throw some mascara on really quick, and then I'm gonna finish up my highlighter. Alright, so now let's finish up our highlighter. Together. Oh my god, guys, I'm really loving this look. Look at it. Alright, I'm loving it. I'm so loving it. Alright, let's do. So, of course, with this, I think that we should go with a purple or a pink. So, I'm going to use the combo that I was using before. And I'm going to go with Unzipped from Ofra. Okay, there's Unzipped, and then I'm going to go in with Amsterdam, and I'm just going to put it around it. You can leave it just like this if you wanted, but I went a little bit darker, so. Okay guys, so this right here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. I thank every one of you guys for subscribing and sticking around. We are going to have another giveaway in December, so be looking for that, and tell me your thoughts on this look. I love it. This right here on my eye, it blended out super easy. Like, I'm not disappointed in this palette. I am so happy that I got it. I don't think you guys will be disappointed. I mean, yeah, like I said, it does kind of look, you know, a little weird when you swatch and all that, but once you just take your finger, just do one swatch, take your finger and kind of rub it, and you can kind of see it wanting to blend out and like come together. Alright, so this right here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I would greatly appreciate it. And yeah, I'm super excited about this, and we will be doing a couple looks with this. Promise, I will have them out next because I'm so excited to play with this palette. Yeah, so tell me what you thought about this look, and if you're going to be getting the palette, or if you're not, or if you already got the palette. Yeah. Alright, so I will see you guys next time.
Mommy was right, it does come off.
Yep.
A little bit on there.
Did it come off?
Yeah, a little bit. Ow.
Sorry.
That hurts.
You want to say bye?
Bye.
I love you.
I didn't.